Today we are doing another Generac generator installation from Generatech. It's a nice house north of Seattle. We are doing an air-cooled 26 kilowatt feeding some part of the house. Furnace is not on the generator, but the rest of the house is functional during the power failure. We will go through the details together. So every single house is different. We have to adjust the way we do the installation for every single project. We check different scenarios to find the best place for the transfer switch. Before starting to make the holes, we check all the scenarios, possible scenarios, to decide which one is the best for every single project. So today we have decided to put the transfer switch next to the panel. We had to move some disconnect switches in order to make room for this transfer switch. And the generator is at the back of the house where the propane tanks are located. So we are going to see the location of the generator together too. It's already placed, and my other colleague is working on it to do the connections. Wires are already passed. Let's check it out together. Yeah, so here it is. The generator is on the base, 3 feet from the wall, 18 inch at the back. This tree is gonna go, the customer is gonna cut this tree. So we're gonna have enough air circulation for the generator. We have probably another hour left to finish this project today. Then we will do the test. The Wi-Fi is already connected. The customer had to leave, so we did the Wi-Fi connection in the beginning. And then when he's back, we should be ready to do the quick test, and we're good to go. So these are the documents for the generator, transfer switch, how to connect the generator to the Wi-Fi. We do the connection of the Wi-Fi during the installation, but if ever the network has been changed, you need to follow the instructions here. Also, there are some useful documents of how to maintain the generator. To know more about your generator, you can read this is a small pamphlet, and this is the reminder of the maintenance. At this page here, I'm going to show you, this is the maintenance. So it says first time is after 25 hours of operation, we need to do the first maintenance, and then every 100 hours or every year, whichever comes first, we have to do the maintenance on this generator. And what you should do are mentioned here. So every year you need to inspect if everything is clean, the connections are good, there is no leak, check the oil, and as you can see, every year we check the water intrusion, we check the fuel, we check the battery condition, replace engine oil and oil filter, replace engine air filter. So these are the things: a spark plug, valve adjustment. After 400 hours, these are the things that we have to do. So the generator is coming with the original oil from the factory, and after 6 months or 25 hours of operation, we have to change this oil to put the full synthetic oil. If you have done the maintenance by yourself, you need to keep the record of it for the warranty. So let's say here you can put the date and some information about the maintenance that you have done. Keep the record with you, and then if ever you need to claim something under the warranty, we have to send this report to Generac. Generator is not activated yet. We're going to go through the activation and then we should be ready to do the test. This is now connected to, then we have to enter, so it's 6%, good enough, it's going to do the job. I'm going to say hit enter because it gets the time from the network. It's all set. I'm going to put it on auto. Breaker is on. We will go inside to cut the power. The generator is going to kick on and kick in and give the power to the house. Il va transférer, ça sera un clic là-bas. Voilà. Okay. Maintenant, toute la maison, c'est sur la génératrice. OK. C'est juste le fournaise qui passe sur la génératrice et le canapé, je pense, pour la piscine.
La génératrice fonctionne pour la piscine, non?
Non, pas pour la piscine, pas pour la fournaise.
Oh,
le reste de la maison fonctionne.
Ah, OK, je comprends.
Maintenant, quand l'hydro revient, il attend 30 secondes pour voir si l'hydro c'est correct. Après ça, il va transférer encore sur l'hydro. On attend 30 secondes. Ça serait la même clé. Voilà. Dans une minute, il va arrêter lui-même la génératrice. Donc, c'est tout automatique.
Oui, c'est ça. On touche à rien.
Non. Chaque 2 semaines, on lundi, chaque 2 semaines, 10h au matin, il va fonctionner pour 5 minutes.
Ah, OK.
Pour faire le test. Il ne coupe pas le courant, c'est juste la génératrice qui va démarrer, fonctionner pour 5 minutes, et elle va arrêter.
Puis pour 2 prochains lundis ou chaque lundi?
Chaque 2 lundis.
Chaque 2 lundis, tout le temps?
Tout le temps.
Ah, OK.
Pour le test. Il doit être comme ça. C'est tout. Donc, si dans 6 mois, on doit faire le premier entretien, après ça, ça serait chaque année ou 100 heures de panne de courant.
Oh, d'accord.
Oui, laquelle qui vient plus tôt. Par exemple, s'il y a 4 jours panne de courant, on doit faire l'entretien.
OK.
Sinon, chaque année.
OK, chaque année.
On va vous rappeler. Il y a un contrat d'entretien, on peut envoyer.
OK, parfait.
Voilà, j'ai lancé sur la arrêté. Pour mettre sur off, on hit juste sur off.
Oui.
Pour auto, il va mettre sur auto. Il va toujours on. La lumière est toujours verte.
Oui.
S'il est jaune, il fonctionne. Rouge fonctionne pas. Dans une année, ça serait vert et jaune dans le même temps. C'est un entretien, c'est une indication d'entretien.
Ah, OK.
Mais dans 6 mois, on va faire l'entretien. L'année prochaine, le même temps, ça serait vert et jaune. Touche pas, c'est comme ça. Après 6 mois, on va venir.
D'accord. Okay.
Pour faire l'entretien. Il y a un switch en arrière, c'est un auxiliary shutdown. Si quelqu'un touche par accident, ça serait rouge.
Ah, OK.
On doit mettre sur on et suivi ici. Il va vous dire qu'est-ce qu'on doit faire. Il dit push off then enter to clear the alarm. So off, enter. Maintenant il dit push order to restart another mode. Donc on. C'est plus facile pour faire le reset.